Greek burgers are full of herbs, which makes them taste fresh and absolutely delicious. We have Chef James cooking today, as these burgers are his specialty, so let's get started. Start by chopping 3 onions in small pieces and add them to a bowl. We didn't have a big enough bowl, so we used the big pan. Wash the herbs and then pick the leaves off the mint before chopping everything finely. Add the herbs to the same bowl and then add your minced meat. We used around 2 kilos of minced beef. Then add the mustard and Henderson sauce. Lastly, add 3 eggs and season with lots of salt and pepper. And now we're ready to mix. Grab a non-stick pan and spray it with fry light, or you can use olive oil too. Add the burger and flatten it out so it can cook evenly. We also like to cover it with a lid so it cooks through faster. Give it a flip and leave it to cook on the other side as well. While it's finishing cooking, I sliced a brioche bun and added some ketchup, mayo, loads of rocket, but you can add whatever sauces and toppings you like. I then added the burger and it's ready to enjoy. These are so good and so quick to make, you have to give them a go. We've also tried them with turkey mince and they taste amazing too, so if you want a lighter version, they're perfect for that. If you like this recipe and would like to see more, don't forget to click the like button, and if you recreate these burgers, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so I can see your yummy creations. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And go deep down, I know. You can also enjoy them with rice, and I definitely recommend adding some lemon juice on the rice and the burger, as it makes everything taste even better. But I love lemon and I add it to pretty much everything.